All right, I need to look at this hyperbola. So again, the first thing I need to do is I need to put the x's together and the y's together. So I have 9x squared plus 54x, and I have minus 4y squared plus 8y. I'm going to bring the 78 to the other side. So I'm going to pull out a 9 here to complete the square. So I have 9 times x squared plus 6x plus something. I take out a negative 4, so I have negative 4y squared minus 2y plus something equals negative 78 plus 9 times something plus negative 4 times something. So here I have 6. Half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. So there's going to be a 9 here. And here I have negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. 1 squared is 1, so I'm going to add a 1 here. So I have, to start with, 9 times x plus 3 squared minus 4 times y minus 1 squared. And if I add all it together, I get a negative 1. I divide everything by negative 1. And that's going to give me, I'm going to rewrite it so I have y minus 1 squared over 1/4, because it's going to be positive, minus x plus 3 squared over 1/9 equals 1. So let's see. I have a center at negative 3, 1. I have vertices. This is in the y direction, so it's going to look like this. So I'm going to add to the y. So I have negative 3 and 1, and I'm adding a. So if a squared is a quarter, a is a half, b squared is 1/9, so b is 1/3. So I have 1 plus or minus 1/2 for my vertices. For my foci, that gives me c. So c squared is a squared plus b squared. And if I add those, it gets 1/4 plus 1/9 equals 13 over 36. So my foci are going to be at negative 3, 1 plus or minus radical 13 over 6. Now I have to write my asymptotes. So the way I always think about it is always the y over the x. So my m is going to be 1/2 divided by 1/3, which is 3/2. So it gives me my asymptotes is y minus 1 equals plus or minus 3/2 x plus 3. And now I have to graph it. So the way I like to graph it is I'm going to put my center in at negative 3, 1. In this direction, I'm going up by a half. There's my vertices, and my foci are a little bit further out. And then my b is 1/3. From here, I know my slope is up 3, up 1, 2, 3 over 2, or down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 2. So I know these are going to go like this. And this is going to go up 1, 2, 3 over 2. And down 3 over 2. And look like this. And here are my vertices. So it's going to look like this.